Hey, what's up? I'm Raya, and today I'm showing you how to fix audio issues or other sound problems in your games. Follow these steps to get your game's audio working smoothly. Step 1. Select and test sound output. Click the sound icon in the taskbar and select your desired sound output device, e.g. speakers or headset. Restart your computer and check if the game's audio works. Step 2. Adjust volume mixer and sound settings. If the audio issue persists, right-click the sound icon and open the volume mixer. Reset the volume for the game or application to default, then close the window. Right-click the sound icon again, select Sound Settings, and choose your current sound device. Adjust the Windows volume if needed. Scroll down, click More Sound Settings, and disable any sound devices not in use by right-clicking them. Right-click your active device, set it as the default if it isn't already, and click Configure. Complete the setup process and click Finish. Go to Properties, select the Enhancements tab, check Disable All Enhancements, and click Apply. In the Advanced tab, test DVD or CD quality settings. In the Spatial Sound tab, turn spatial sound off. Click Apply, OK, and restart your computer. Test the game's audio again. Step 3. Update audio drivers via Device Manager. Click the search box, type Device Manager, and open it. Expand Sound, Video, and Game Controllers, right-click your current sound device and select Update Driver. Choose Browse My Computer for drivers, then Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select the appropriate model, click Next, and wait for the process to complete. Click Close, exit Device Manager, and restart your computer. Check if the game's audio is fixed. Step 4. Run the Sound Troubleshooter. If the audio still isn't working, click the search box, type Troubleshoot, and select Troubleshoot Settings. Find Playing Audio under Get Up and Running, click it, and select Run the Troubleshooter. Follow the on-screen instructions to diagnose and fix sound issues. Once completed, restart your computer and test the game's audio. These steps should resolve most audio issues or sound problems in your game. Get back to gaming with full sound immersion.